Hey guys, welcome to my shorts long division. Manje umehluko sesine two dividers 24. 528 divided by 24 wenze long division. So DMSB, division, multiplication, subtraction, bring down, then you repeat what you did. Does McDonald's sell burgers to cram it or ukuthi uyibambe nje lento? So 24 multiples of 24, 48, 72. 1, 2, 3 times, ne? Sizomala. So 24 into 52 ilapha gcina lapha kuphela because mso add omunye 24.72, so uya 2 times 24, it's 48 minus 52 minus 48, it's 4. 24 into 4, no, then you bring down 8. 24 into 48, it's 2. Then 2 times 24, it's 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. The answer is 22, remainder 0.